In today's video, we're talking about the best UK investing apps that you can download and use in the UK right now. Now, all of these apps are extremely useful in my opinion. I have downloaded and used all of them in one way or another, and they all have their own individual quirks and really good bits, and then some not so good bits as well. If I had to choose one, I would really struggle, especially based on some of the things that are available on some but not others. So I'm going to bring you into it in a minute and we will discuss all of them. But just to let you know, as a disclosure, I use every single one of these, and you can see my referral link in the description below if you want to have a look and sign up as well. So that all being said, I will see you in there after the intro. Catch you there. Hey again guys, welcome back into the video. So the first app that I'm on about using is Trading212. Most of you will recognise this. This is where I've done the core of my penny stock, SPAC and growth investing over the last 18 months or so. And there is some really useful things that this company offers. So your ISA, if you choose to go with them, is absolutely free. The Forex fee for buying into American or European stocks is extremely low to a negligible level. There is an auto investing and pies option, which is absolutely great. You can set up a direct debit that just pays straight into your pie each month and then automatically invest that money. And then any dividends that you receive also gets invested straight away without you having to do a thing. There is a app-based version which you can use on your mobile phone, and a computer-based desktop version so you can see a little bit more of the charts and a little bit more information. It also offers fractional shares in UK, US and European stocks, which is quite rare at the moment for a company, and offers a detailed background information on most of the stocks that they have on the app, albeit that some of this information is a little bit dated sometimes, so you'd have to go and do your research elsewhere, but it does give you at least a little bit of background information on how the company has done in the last few years. It also offers a referral link, £100 up to £100 of free shares for new users. Now there's 3 different types of account for this app as well. So you've got Trading212 Invest, Trading212 CFD and Trading212 ISA. Now Invest and ISA are very similar. There's a few stocks that aren't available in the ISA but are available in the Invest, but you get all the tax perks of being in an ISA and having that tax wrapper of up to £20,000 a year invested completely tax free. Whereas if you use the Invest side of things, you don't get that sort of tax wrapper. And if you go over £12,300 a year in gains, when you sell your stock, you have to pay tax on that. CFD, Trading212 CFD is a leveraged version, and that is often used in day trading and using leverage to enhance your positions. This is very risky and this is not something that I do, but I know a lot of people that do use Trading212 CFD and do very well at it. But it does open with 77% of people that use day trading and use Trading212 CFD actually lose money. So moving on to the next app, that is Freetrade. Now Freetrade is another fantastic beginners app to use. Really good, very simple, very simple to use. They have a flat fee for the ISA of managing your ISA of £3 per month. That's never going to change. The normal account is completely free, but they do offer a premium account as well, which is £9.99 a month, that offers you access to extra stocks and extra tools that you can use, extra information about the companies that you're investing in, and then stop loss accounts, limit orders and that side of things as well. They do have a Forex fee if you buy US stocks of 0.45% every time you buy an American stock or sell. That's not charged on UK stocks, of course, you just pay the stamp duty. Very good to use for beginners. It only features UK and US stocks and offers fractional shares on US stocks only, and you have to at least invest £2 in them. It's app based only, so you can only use it on your mobile phone, but you can sign up and download through the website. And it offers referrals, so you can refer all of your friends for a free share up to £200 each time. Usually I get a share worth at least £10 to £20 in this one, so it's pretty good in my opinion, and the customer service I've found with Freetrade has always been pretty good as well. Moving on to our next one, that is Etoro. Now this one has been around for such a long time. It has been very globalized. Everybody can use it every place. So it's app and computer based. It is low fees. Although you have got a $5 withdrawal free. It offers crypto and trading, so you can do both sides of things, or you can just do normal investing. It offers copy portfolios, which is something quite unique to Etoro and social investing. So it offers you the chance to find successful traders, and you can literally just copy exactly what they do. Deposit your money, and every time that trader makes a trade, your money will follow. If they're very successful, you can make an awful lot of money. Minimum deposits do apply, so you have to at least deposit $100 when you join up, and orders need to be at least $50 in revenue as well. The referral is available, but your friend doesn't get a free share or anything like that for joining, just you get rewarded for referring them. If you fancy signing up to Etoro, it's a very good low risk company to use, then the link in the description is below. The Stake app, Hello Stake, is another fantastic company. It offers US stocks only. There is no ISA option, and you only pay Forex on the transfer in and out of the account. So every time you buy and sell a stock, you don't pay any Forex fee on that, unlike Freetrade and Tradingtwo where you pay each time and each way. In Stake, you don't have to do anything like that at all. You just put your money in, pay your Forex fee once, trade it as much as you like. You know, you can turn it over tenfold if you like. Trade 10 times a day, you pay no fees on that, and then you just get the money. When you eventually withdraw, you pay the Forex fee on that. There is also a premium account available with Stake. It's $9 a month, and it gives you access to all of the background information about the companies you're looking for, access to extra charts, and you can also the premium option also gives you the money that settles straight away. So if you sell a share, you can immediately use that money to go elsewhere. There's referral for your friends available. They only do 3 shares though. That is GoPRO, DROPBOX and Nike. Nike is up to $100 though, so obviously you're very happy to get hold of one of them. They also offer fractional shares as well in just the US stocks, as I've already mentioned. Very useful app, this one. I enjoy using it. It's great to try and flip through loads of money, loads of accounts and loads of investing, and you don't have to worry about the Forex fee. And then last but not least today, we're talking cryptocurrency. One quick thing I'd like to mention is Etoro does offer Bitcoin buy-in as well. Back to the original point, SwissBorg is access to the crypto market in terms of Bitcoin, Ethereum, loads of a whole plethora of other options, though I only stick with the mainstream ones. It is a very low fee to withdraw your money, 0.1% at any point, and a 1% fee when buying Bitcoin or other crypto. The app is super smooth and cool to use. I really enjoy using it, and it's nice to just build up a nice portfolio in the crypto sector, because that's where some of the demand and supply is moving to. Crypto is becoming a thing now. Investors and financial people are going to have to just get involved and accept the fact that crypto is here to stay, and that is why I'm getting involved. It is a limited supply, so eventually it will be worth some extra money, just simply because there's a limited amount of Bitcoin that can be mined. Referrals are available, so if you use the link in the description below and then take on your own referral, you can get up to €100 worth of Bitcoin each time you refer a friend, which is quite a generous referral scheme. And then there is a premium account available, but when I looked into this, you needed 50,000 CHSB, which is SwissBorg's own cryptocurrency. And then when I worked out how much that is. It's about $30,000 I think in terms of cost, so the premium account isn't going to be available for many people unless you've got an awful lot of money to invest. There are some key features that will help you out if you've got that much money to invest, which is why the premium is available for that, but you can get by just fine with the normal account. The normal account is exactly what I use, and I really enjoy being involved with crypto and using this app as well. So guys, that brings to an end this video. Those are the best UK investing apps that I currently use right here in the UK. Trading212, Freetrade, Etoro, Stake and SwissBorg. All of the referral links, if you fancy using or having a go at using any of those, are in the description below. It'd be absolutely fantastic if you decided to sign up and at least have a little dabble with them. I massively enjoy using all of them. As I said, all of them have got their little quirks. I've got the most money in Freetrade and Trading212, but that does not mean that I do not like using all the others. They're all pretty useful in my opinion for their own individual things. Thank you very much for watching today, guys. If you could smash the like button, that'd be absolutely amazing, and I'll see you in another investing episode. Catch you later.